Today's video, in this module, we are going to be focusing on how to create a caption, how to caption your video. So the code will also be available for you guys. Okay, it's also be available for you guys. All you just need to do right now, I want to pin this one so we don't have to run it again. Now is to drag the link. I think the link will be set if you follow this thing. As you can see, here is everything. So let us understand this color code, this line code, okay? Or you can just go to the NCA toolkit to explain everything to you, or go to the GitHub to understand how this work. I'm going to try to explain. So this what is called the line color, which is the main color. The small text you see on the image, this is the word for word color. Okay, the word for word color. And we also add the all cap, that it means your caption should be cap. Yes. And we have this max word per line, which means the word you want to be showing on the screen. So I love using it, like maybe let's keep it at 3, or let me say 4. The font size that we love to use. We also have the bold, true, false, blah blah blah, strikeouts, winning out. I think I add it to our documents. I added it to our documents where we can extras for installation. I added it to our document in the resource folder of different fonts for us to use. Okay. So I think I added to our for different fonts to use. I think I added it. So this, as you can see, this is it. That is load finish. So these are all the fonts, but I prefer using this, which is the bold font. Okay, so these are the fonts which you can replace with it. So, and we have this middle center. We have this middle center. I'm coming, guys. Let's copy that again. The bold fonts. So we are going to keep it at 70. You can try this thing all over again to see, and also read this documentation that I'm going to show you. Let's go to the caption area. Caption. Let's go to the caption area, caption section of this video. So here is everything you need to understand. Just read this thing and understand it very well. Okay. So now we even have the line color, the word color, the outline color. So we have to add the outline color, which is not actually present in this image. So let me add the outline color. I love the color to be black for them if they want to outline those color. So this is, we don't have any outline color here. So let's add the outline color. So the outline color should be this color. Okay, this is white. I don't know what this color is though. So um let's go for the color wheel. Yellow color code, that is what we want. This is it. This is the yellow color code. So now depend on the kind of yellow that you want. Okay, now depend on what the yellow type of yellow that you want. We have different set of yellows. So I'm just going to go with the default one. Just make sure you read this thing to understand. If you want to understand everything, I think this is a way you are going to understand it. We have the video URL, the caption, the settings. Okay, we have the webhook. You don't need the webhook unless you are building something sophisticated. Okay, unless you are building something sophisticated. We also have the line words, color line, blah blah blah, like that. If you want to exclude some timeline, and also the style. The style is important. We have the classic style. We have the karakuri style. I think it should show. We have, this is karakuri style, as you can see. So this is example one. This is just a basic captioning. Okay, just basic captioning. We have the customized caption, which is the classic. Okay, this is the classic captioning. We also have the karakuri style with the advanced option. It's going to replace everything like with like. Okay, So we also have the external subtitles. We have different one. I think there's a way the shows. Now this is it. This is the regular captioning. As you can see here, we have the highlight word sequentially in the characteristic style as they are spoken. We have this show the fully caption but highlight each word spoken. We have this one show the fully caption but underline each word as it was spoken. We also have word by word, show word at a time. Okay, so you can read this thing to understand it. So I think we done with that one. Let's proceed. So let's proceed to execute our plan. So as you can see, the credential is failed. This is how it's going to fail if you refuse to set your credential very well. So let's start again. So mind you, the last video was just 12 megabytes, 12.9 megabytes, and is around how many seconds? So 1.1 minute and 19 seconds. So that is what we are going to get. And also, if you want to middle center means the text will be in the middle and this will be in the center. So you want to try out everything, every details for you to able to get this right. You must get this right, guys. You must get this right. So let's wait. So there's some error because of the network error here. As you can see, this thing is still loading because of network error. So let's just update our base. So the link has finished. As you can see, this is the link and this is the caption link. So let's go to the caption link and download. So while this thing is downloading, the next thing is to create a URL which we are going to call the final URL. Let's name it final URL. Okay, now let's make a choice and we are going to go for the URL and click on this. Let's go here and we are going to just duplicate this and go here on pin. Okay, make sure you unpin. So after you are done unpinning, we don't need any of this. Don't need any of this for now. You need close this one. Let's wait for this, and you are going to just replace this with the final URL. Okay, instead of TTS URL, just the final URL. As you can see, final URL. And so instead of create, you are going to put updates, as you can see, and it's going to ask for the row. The row will be got from this, which is the ID row 3. As you can see, place it here, place it here, like that, and boom, we are done. The next thing is to update it. Let me just cancel this and let's update this. It's going to show here. Okay, so it's going to show here. Now we have this here. Let us play the video to see our output. The next thing is to download this and also upload this to whenever I want to upload it. So I'm 25F, work at a small coffee shop, and when I first started, this regular customer asked if I had a twin because she thought she saw me at a bookstore the day before, but I had the day off. Without thinking, I said, "Yeah, that's probably my twin, Bella." There was no twin. I just panicked and thought it was a harmless joke. Well, she kept asking about my twin whenever she came in. Over time, I made up more and more stuff about her that she. So that is it for now. And the next target we are going to do now is downloading this, and this will be the one of the most trickiest parts when it comes to this. Okay, so let's go to HTTP. If this is going to work, if this is going to work, and we are going to input the final URL to get this file. Okay, the final URL here, just to get this file. Make sure you pin this to pin it, and let's go to see if you can able to download this. This is just 12 megabytes. Okay, so if you are able to download this, now we can be able to upload this to wherever and whenever we want to upload this video to. But we are also missing something out, which is the title, and we need to generate the title. So that is why I will ask us to use an AI to create this. So while we are doing that one, while we are doing so, I think we should just make it the next episode.